Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Dikshita. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be talking about the new launch from Mamaearth. So Mamaearth recently launched their kajals and I have both of their kajals with me. So in today's video, I'll be sharing my review about these products and I'll also show you the demo, like how do you use these products. So if you're interested, please keep on watching this video. I think kajal is one of the most important part of your makeup because mostly in India people start their makeup journey with kajal. Like kajal is the first product they use when they start doing makeup. At least I did. Like for me, kajal was the first makeup product which I applied even before the lipsticks. I used to wear kajal all the time. Like I still wear kajal on a daily basis. Like whenever I'm going out, I always wear kajal, and I feel it's very important. It changed the whole look. So I love wearing kajal. So since kajal is a very important makeup product, I think we should be little careful about what we are putting on your eyes since our eyes are very sensitive. So we should always be careful about what we are putting on our eyes. And what would be a better option than using a safe and toxin free kajal? So Mamaearth actually launched these two kajals recently, and both of these products are totally safe and toxin free, which is a very good thing. So both of these kajals are very safe because they don't contain any kind of toxins or harmful chemicals. They are made of very good ingredients. So first one is this one. This is their charcoal black long stay kajal, and this is how it looks like. It comes in this kind of outer packaging, and on the back you get all kind of details, like they have mentioned everything you need to know about this kajal. So this long stay kajal retails for 299 rupees and you get 0.35 gram of product in this. The shelf life of this product is 3 years. So let me show you how it looks from inside. So to open this, you need to just slide this thing and you have the product right here. And this is how this kajal looks from inside. It comes in a very nice beautiful white color packaging, and when you open it, here is the product. So it's in the retractable form. You don't need to sharpen up this kajal. It's in the retractable form and you get a lot of product in this one. So this kajal contains vitamin C and chamomile extract. It doesn't contain any kind of toxins. This is smudge proof and long lasting. Now the second product is their long stay kohl. This one retails for 499 rupees and you get 1.2 gram of product in this. This is how the outer packaging of this product looks like. It looks very similar to the packaging of kajal, and again on the back you have all details you need to know about this product. Now this one contains castor oil and chamomile extract, and this one also doesn't contain any kind of toxins. This is also smudge proof and long lasting. So let me show you how this one looks from inside. So to take out the product, you'll have to slide this thing. So here is the product. And this is how the inner packaging of this product looks like. Again, it comes in this very beautiful white packaging with this black color cap. So this kohl pencil is actually in the pencil form. It's not a retractable pencil, so you will have to sharpen it up. But they are giving you free sharpener with this, so you don't have to purchase a separate sharpener for this. You are getting it for free with this product. Also, there is this sticker on both of these products where all the details are mentioned, including their expiry details. So it's very good thing because आपको पता रहेगा कि ये product कब expire हो रहा है. Generally, many brands don't put the expiry details on the inner packaging. So it's a very good thing that they have mentioned the expiry also in the inner packaging as well. Now let's swatch both of these products one by one. So first, I'm using this kajal. See. So this is the pigmentation what you get with this kajal. You can see it's a one stroke application and you get a lot of pigmentation and it glides so smoothly. Like it's very creamy and very easy to use, and the pigmentation is really good. Now let's swatch the kohl. This is again very creamy and highly pigmented. Can you see? You get one stroke application. You get such intense pigmentation with one stroke only. Both of these products are very creamy, so they'll be very easy to apply on the eyes as well. So we will do the smudge proof and waterproof test of both of these products in some time. Now let's use both of these products on the eye. So I'll be applying this kajal on right eye and this kohl on the left eye so that we can test both of these products. It was very easy to apply this kajal on my waterline. It glided like smoothly on the waterline because it's very creamy. I didn't have to put a lot of effort to apply this, and I got a very nice pigmentation as well. Now I'll apply the same kajal on my upper lash line. Wow, again it was very easy to apply, and see the pigmentation, like the color payoff is really good, and you get a very good pigmentation in single application, and it is looking really nice. It was very easy to apply, like it's very creamy, very easy to apply. I'm really happy with the way this kajal performed. Now let's use this kohl pencil. So I'll do the same thing with this as well. I'll apply first this in my waterline and on my upper lash line. Wow, this is also very creamy, very easy to apply, and look at the color payoff. It is very good. Again, didn't have to put a lot of effort. So now let's apply this on the upper lash line. Wow. The color payoff of both of these products is really good. You can see the pigmentation, right? I'm totally impressed with both of these products. They are very easy to apply, they are very creamy, and they glide so smoothly on the eyes. Sometimes क्या होता है ना, when you swatch these products they apply very easily, but when you actually apply on the eyes थोड़ा सा difficulty होती है, but इनके साथ I didn't face any kind of difficulty. They are very easy to apply, and the color payoff is really good. You get a very good pigmentation in single stroke, and you can always build up the color, but they are very easy to work with, and I really like it. And as I already told you, both of these products are very safe for your eyes because they don't contain any kind of toxins, and they contain some nice ingredients as well. These products are also cruelty free and vegan. So it's been some time since I've swatched these kajals. So now let's do the smudge test first. I am rubbing it very hard, and I don't see these are smudging at all. I don't have anything on my finger. So yeah, these are intact. They actually fulfill the claim of smudge proof. So they are totally smudge proof. Now let's do a waterproof test as well. So I have this water in this bottle. So I'll just spray some. So I don't see they are moving, which means they are water resistant. Okay, so this is how they look. They didn't come off completely. थोड़ा सा fade हो गए for sure, but it didn't come off completely. So we can say that it is waterproof as well. So they are totally smudge proof and waterproof, which means these kajal will be long lasting as they claim. So according to me, both of these kajals are very good, but it's up to you which one you want to try, whether you want to go for this kajal or this kohl. It's totally up to you, but I would highly recommend you guys to try these products because they are very good. You can buy these products from Mamaearth's own website, and you can also use my code to get additional 20% off on these products. I'll mention the code on the screen and in the description box. These products are already very affordable, and if you use my code, you can save some extra cash. You can also buy these products from Amazon, Nykaa and Purple, but you won't get the same discount there, so it's up to you from where you want to purchase. But if you buy a product from Mamaearth's website, they'll link your order with a tree they plant, and they'll also share the geolocation, the species and the pictures of the plant to you, which is a very nice thing according to me. Mamaearth is a plastic positive Indian brand. They recycle more plastic than they use. All the products from Mamaearth are natural and free from any kind of harmful chemicals. So yeah guys, that's all I wanted to talk about these kajals. Both of these products are very good, and I would highly recommend you guys to try these products. You can choose which one you want to try, but I would highly recommend you to try these products. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful for you. If you did, please like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. And don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future uploads. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.